A shed with vinyl siding, and as you can see down here, the vinyl siding was viciously attacked by a weed eater. Let's see what we can do about that. Move, dog. That exposes the fasteners that hold this trim on, so we'll just jam a screwdriver in there and remove those fasteners. We are with the trim piece removed. Roll families of wasp nests removed. Put the old piece on top of the new piece so I can measure and cut it to length. And then you can cut it with a pair of shears or even some stout scissors or a fine-tooth hacksaw. Jigsaw with a fine-tooth blade will cut through it like butter. Here's a cross-sectional view that shows how it interlocks with the siding and is nailed back to the wall here. It expands and contracts a lot, so you have to allocate for this to happen. That's why you'll see these long grooves here that allow the boards to move up and down with the heat and cold. And we're going to use these roofing nails that have this big fat surface area on the head so that it won't slip through the slot. And you want to put it right in the middle of the slot, again, so it has room to slide up and down with expansion and contraction. Do not drive the screw or the nail all the way in, because you want enough slack that it can expand and contract. The siding will overlap and interlock, so you want to start at the bottom and work your way towards the top. And there it is with the new trim piece in place, siding reinstalled. Good to go. Thank you for watching.